Short summary: The intelligent investor explains value investing, which is focused on generating steady, long-term profits by ignoring the current market and picking companies with high intrinsic value. Benjamin Graham would easily be the most famous investor of the 20th century if it weren't for his student, Warren Buffett, likely the only person to surpass him in investing brilliance. Coming from poverty, he became an excellent student at Columbia and, upon graduation, started his investing career with a job on Wall Street. He wrote down his investing principles in 1949 inside The Intelligent Investor, which Warren Buffett calls the best book on investing ever written. Here are 3 critical lessons from Graham's book to help you start investing. 1. There are 3 principles to intelligent investing. Analyze for the long term, protect yourself from losses, and don't go for crazy profits. 2. Never trust Mr. Market. He can be very irrational in the short and medium term. 3. Stick to a strict formula by which you make all your investments, and you'll do fine. Ready to become an intelligent investor? Let's get going. Lesson 1. There are 3 principles to becoming an intelligent investor. Often also called value investing, intelligent investing, according to Benjamin Graham, rests on 3 principles. 1. An intelligent investor constantly analyzes a company's long-term evolution and management principles before investing. 2. They always protect themselves from losses by diversifying investments. 3. Savvy investors never seek crazy profits but focus on safe and steady returns. A famous quote by Warren Buffett is about his 2 rules for investing. Rule number 1. Never lose money. Rule number 2. Never forget rule number 1. That's precisely what intelligent investing is. Nobody can predict the next Facebook, but everyone can protect themselves against losses. By conducting a thorough analysis, intelligent investors find stocks with a gap between their current price and the company's intrinsic value that will eventually unlock. This is based on the evidence collected from looking at the company's history and management values. The intelligent investor invests in a few of those companies to not lose everything when things go wrong and then sits back, being perfectly happy with collecting 10%, 12% or even 15% a year in returns. Oh, and she does one other thing. Lesson 2. Never trust Mr. Market. Graham's most famous analogy is the one of Mr. Market, where he pictures the entire stock market as a single person. What would you do if you imagined Mr. Market showing up on your doorstep daily, quoting you different prices for various stocks? According to Benjamin Graham, you'd be best off ignoring him altogether, day in and day out. Sometimes the prices he'd tell you would seem suspiciously cheap, sometimes astronomically high. That's because Mr. Market is not very clever, unpredictable and suffers from severe mood swings. For example, about a month before a new iPhone is released, stocks rally while people queue in front of the Apple Store. But stocks can plummet the next day when the new phone is not exactly as expected. Humans are so good at recognizing patterns that we try to find them even where none exist. That's why a stock price that's been going up for 10 days must go up further, which is, of course, not true. To be an intelligent investor, rely on your research and ignore the market altogether. Lesson 3. Always stick to a strict formula, and you'll do fine. Lastly, to further remove you from the emotional stress of investing in the market, you should always stick to a strict formula when investing. Graham calls it formula investing, but it's more widely known as dollar cost averaging. What it means is that you simply set a fixed budget you're going to invest every month or quarter and then invest that into the stocks you've previously picked, no matter the price. For example, I invest 10% of my income every month. That money goes to my autopilot investment account, and then I invest it in the stocks I own. This is somewhat emotionally demanding because it requires you to invest the same amount again and again, no more when stocks are cheaper, no less when stores are expensive. But once you get over it, it's a great way to protect yourself against losses, which could happen if you invest a significant sum right before a crash. The Intelligent Investor Review. I could listen to Warren Buffett's talks all day. The man is brilliant. He tells great stories about Graham, and it's a beautiful way to learn more about this investing approach. Value investing is very defensive, but if it's worked for the wealthiest man on earth, why not for you? It takes away the stress of day trading and is hassle-free once you get into the right mindset. This is a more advanced book than I Will Teach You to Be Rich, Rich Dad Poor Dad, or Money Master the Game, but the blinks make it really easy to understand. Who would I recommend the Intelligent Investor Summary to? The 15-year-old wants to learn more about stocks and start practicing. The 46-year-old, who's lost a few sums here and there when experimenting with different stocks and options but has never consistently stuck with great companies, and anyone who likes Warren Buffett.